Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are going to do another pack opening. Let's hope this pack opening will be a good one. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Ooh, Galaxy Opal, Dominic Williams. Jason Tatum. Galaxy Opal, Kevin Garnett. Wow. Senator Dave Cowens. Joe Trimmers. Hakeem. Derrick Rose. Okay. We'll get the diamond. Galaxy Opal. We'll put him right there. There we go. Reggie Lewis, yes. Let's get Kevin Jones. Last pack, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.